Alright guys, we're back with another video. Nice cold morning here. Got the F-250 all loaded up. Gonna be headed to the scrapyard. I got a bunch of stuff to pick up in a couple places. So we're starting the morning off right. It's kind of cold. I don't know. But I want to show you something I seen on the truck before we go.
A wise man once told me, once you know how to make money and work hard, you'll never be poor. Well, this is how I make my money.
Alright, what's up everyone? We're back with another video here. And gonna be bringing a load to the scrapyard. And for those of you who don't know, I'm Michael and I do scrap metal removal. As you see, we got a bunch of stuff ready and all loaded up. Got stuff on my other trailer that I couldn't fit on this load because of these desks here. All this came from a building. There's two metal desks, old metal desks. I had to put a strap around it because they kept sliding this morning bringing my daughter to school. And then these old steel fire doors. There's nothing in them. It's just, they're just thick steel and they're heavy. And then there was a couple filing cabinets, but this load was all the water heater load and pressure tanks I picked up that last time. A couple appliances we took out of a house over the weekend. But I was just looking at my truck, being there's what, two desks and a couple fire doors and a trailer hooked up. I noticed I was really squatting here. And been noticing lately it's been squatting more, so I think my springs might be too tired. I mean, I've owned this truck since it was almost new. I think my leaf springs are getting pretty tired. It used to never squat. I mean, there can only be, I mean, the liftgate is liftgate's 500 pounds. So to have that on the truck all the time always burdens it. So you always have a lot of tail weight. I mean, 400 or 500 pounds in the bed, it's 1,000 pounds, and then that, yeah, I shouldn't even be squatting. It never did. But it's something I'm gonna have to keep my eye on. I'm gonna have to make an appointment here coming up in January after the holidays and everything and get that taken care of. Because I try to keep everything as safe as possible. I had to do the same thing on my last truck after you know, 10, 11 years they were just whooped. But, alright, so this was the other stuff we picked up. A couple more appliances. So, I'm gonna be loading this trailer for this week, being Christmas is coming soon, so not going to be doing as much. But these are the appliances we took out of that house. They're all older, ugly colored ones. So we're starting our first tombstone for this load. And then there was a big water heater we took. And then there's the refrigerator out of the house. One out of the garage, I'm sorry. The other one on the black one on there was the one out of the house. So this is going to start our load for the week. I mean, this is going to be the first load for the week, and this will be probably by the end of the week. It'll probably be full, but I won't be bringing it in because of probably not till after Christmas or something. I'm going to wait a little bit. Nothing else has really grown or anything. Pick up a couple pieces of pipe, but nothing else really growing. I want to get rid of this stuff and then see what we pick up today, guys. So let's make our way to the scrapyard. It's early yet. It's only 7:30 in the morning. So I'm going to stop, get gas, maybe grab a bite to eat. Breakfast sandwich or something from the gas station. And yeah guys, I'm gonna be headed out. And hopefully, you know, this load ain't gonna pay that good, so I'm gonna be a couple, you know, maybe 200, 250, probably 250, but between 220 and 250 bucks, guys. So I mean, just starting the week off, that big load's gonna be, but this week I'll probably try to get rid of some of the aluminum and dirty aluminum, and maybe get a load of that stuff in so I can actually make a little bit of money. I don't have much copper or brass. You guys see, but lately I've been showing you guys some videos of the copper and brass. If you like those videos of me showing you guys how to break those things down and weighing them on the scale, let me know in the comment section below. Something I tried a little different. I don't have anything right now to take apart, but in the future, if you guys like that stuff, I'll be doing more of that. Being that, you know, it's cold out in the shed, and usually in the winter up here in Northeast PA, you know, usually by now we already have snow on the ground. We only had a little bit, but I mean, we just had a massive rainstorm too. So, but all right, let's go to the scrapyard, guys. See what we get today. All right, boys and girls, we made it to the scrapyard. I'm gonna pull on the scale. First one in line, doesn't seem to be anybody waiting. Just trying to watch my trailer, kind of at a weird angle. 9 o'clock in the morning, first one here. So we weigh 12,540 pounds. So, got a decent little load on, maybe a little more than I thought, guys. I mean, I'm not going to complain. But I'll throw this off and we'll continue what we're doing. Not a very busy day here today. Other than me and this guy right here in this white truck, and there's one other person who went to the metal shop. Not a very busy day. I don't know if it's the cold or what keeping people away, but still not feeling good, guys. But I'm out here grinding. So we had 9,000 pounds is what we weigh out. So we had like 3,500 pounds. Not a bad deal for, you know, some stuff that I picked up the other day. Not a bad deal at all. Get the green light here. We got a bunch of other stuff going. I got a guy called me. He's doing his mom died and he's doing a clean out, guys. And he said there's a bunch of metal there. He's gonna make piles. So that'll probably happen this week. He's got 2 cars also, 2 minivans. He wanted to know if I'd give him a couple bucks for him. I'm not really into that, but I might give him something just to... It's a friend of mine I've known for years, so might have to give him something to get the cars, you know. Alright guys, so I had 3,520 pounds. Actually I had 3,600 pounds. But they deducted me 100 pounds, and I asked the guy for what. He said that I threw off a couple pieces of plastic, and it's a new guy in the office, so I was like, well... if that's gonna be the fucking case, you know, I'm not gonna deal with that shit. I said, a couple pieces of plastic and shit. He's like, oh, the other normal people wouldn't have did that. But I made $306 so far. We're gonna go home, drop this little trailer off, and then just take the truck around. I got 3 of my plumbers that I'm gonna go check, see what they have. So I haven't been there in a couple days, so we'll see what they get. Hopefully we'll start working on filling up that big trailer, guys. But video's not over, so don't get away. I want to show you guys what else we can find and pick up today. Maybe we'll get some good stuff for another video, guys. But that kind of pisses me off about that they deducted me 100 pounds. That hasn't happened all last year, and I said that to him. He's like, oh, we're supposed to deduct for the stuff. Fucking bullshit. But all right, guys, let's go dump this trailer off, and next time you see me, we'll be at one of my plumbers to see what we have. Well, guys, I checked all 3 of my plumbers and another guy, the one I'm at now, and not good, man. This is all that all 4 of them had, and all this came from one. 3 of them had nothing. A couple little pieces of copper, a couple electric motors, pressure tank with an electric motor on it, a little compressor. That's it, and there's nothing here. So, I don't know, guys. This is slow this time of year for me. A lot of the plumbing guys aren't really doing much. So I guess I'm going to have to end the video. And remember, life's an adventure, man. It's not a job, and it's a fucking adventure, right? But today's adventure's over for me. It's still early in the morning. I might get a call, but I'm going to end the video this way. Yeah, it's just the way it is, guys. I'm not getting a lot of calls right now. I got things in the works, but, you know, starting off today is a Tuesday. You know, yesterday it rained all day. Maybe a lot of people just didn't do much, but... Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And it's not busy all the time, you know. Sometimes you fail. I mean, sometimes it just doesn't work out the way we want to, but... Alright, I guess I'll see whatever else happens today, or... Maybe I can set something up for tomorrow. I've already called 1 person, 2 people for tomorrow. One said they might have stuff, so. It's the nature of the game, guys, you know. Can't be busy all the time, right? Alright, guys. See you in the next video.